good boy. Here. Would you like to sit up? Oh, that's a good boy too. Yeah. You want to dance? Hmm? Oh wait, he's trying to eat this. These are a little big for him.
Yeah, I used to break.
I broke them. That's good sitting up. But dance, dance, dance. Dance, 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 dance. That's a good boy. This one's kind of hard. Yeah. Good boy. Now, can you... Oh, that's pretty. Lay down, roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
That's adorable.
Can you...
Yeah, tell him stick him up.
Stick him up. Stick him up, Carter. No, that's not. Stick him up. No.
Yeah, stick him up, it's right. Then you
Stick
tell
him
him
up.
bang, bang. Yeah.
Come here. Stick him up.
There.
Oh, there he is,
There.
dead dog.
After bang, 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 dead.
That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Can you talk to me? Can you tell me please? Say please. Please. You have to work up to this. Tell me something pretty. Woof. Say woof. Woof. Good boy.
That's so hard for him to do.
Yeah, can't you say he's not a barker?
He doesn't. And we tell him to quiet. Shh. Shh. Oh, good boy. Oh, yes. You're so good. That's a good boy. Give me 5. Oh, give me 10. Okay. That's better than nothing.
Lay down and roll over is the best. I love
You
it.
like that? Okay. Lay down, roll over. Good boy. That's what
The first time he did that, I almost fainted. He was on my bed.
Oh, lay down, roll over. And he did. That's all he knows. But he's a good boy.
He's a fat good boy. Yeah.
He's got the cutest face.
He does. Oh, Rosie.
What?
And he has the most gentle nature.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's a good boy, Carter. Shake my hand again. Thank you. I don't have a treat for you this time, but maybe later.
He says I've been betrayed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, my
Good morning.
granddaughter taught him everything.
Hi, Mark.
Did she?
Yeah, she did.
Mhm.
But you know what's funny? She taught him that.
Want to say something, Paula?
Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez, I'm moving in next week. Are you ready for that?
Okay,
Don't panic, just kidding.
We'll be roommates again.
We'll be roommates again, yeah.
If you say stick him up, he just falls
He just
over
drops.
dead. The heck with it. He doesn't even hold up the
Rosie.
handle.
Yes.
So give us words of wisdom.
Okay, let me think what they might be. Buy low and sell high.
That's a good one. And what about Miss Kathy?
That's what Roger said.
What words of wisdom do you have?
What words of...
I don't think you're allowed to
I don't
use
think
it.
I have any wisdom.
No.
Those are very personal items.
What?
I got removed when I had kids.
Oh, you got removed?
Wisdom was...
Oh, I see.
It's gone now.
What about what? Well, wise. You're wise.
Really? When did that happen? I don't remember ever being wise. I just a wise ass.
That's a good one. That's a good one, Kath. That's a good way to end. Goodbye.